to Vlogmas day 6. I'm so excited that I kept going with my plan of making a video every single day, and yesterday's video that will be published on December 7th, which is today, would be actually for December 6th, which was yesterday. You guys saw a little bit more about me, and the reason why I wanted to post that video as a Vlogmas video, it's because I wanted you guys to get to know me. I am new to the whole YouTube channel world. I've been uploading some random stuff to YouTube for years and years and years, but it was never an actual like channel. It was just a place to share and save videos with like either classmates or a family member. So I only had like 2 videos, and now I decided to take on this very big project of being a new mom of a newborn and having to make a video every single day and upload it. I think it's just going to help me a lot with getting organized to start my channel, learning to start my channel. It's the greatest season of all to start something like this because there's just so much going on, right? And I think that it's just going to keep me accountable. So it's a little experiment to see how comfortable I feel, and also try to figure out who I am in this platform and who I am in the whole social media world, and help me be a little bit more confident with myself. So yeah, that's why I posted that video that I filmed yesterday. And you know, today it's a new day, and I just worked out right now. I just got a little workout in. We got a new treadmill yesterday, which I did not film the whole delivery process because it was madness. I mean, the guys had such a hard time getting it upstairs. I actually went to my room and locked myself up in my room because I did not want to be anywhere near the whole lifting a huge 400-pound treadmill up the stairway. Okay guys, so I got my coffee that I was drinking while I was in the treadmill because I needed my, actually this is black coffee, so it would give me a little bit of energy this morning. And right now, while Adam is taking his quick nap, David is getting a haircut this morning. I decided, let me just make my protein breakfast smoothie. This one is my favorite. So it has baby spinach, this blend from Costco that I really like, and you can just, you know, put it in any of your smoothies actually, and it'll make it taste really good. And unsweetened vanilla almond milk, my collagen, and also my protein powder. So I already started putting the stuff in there, and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I make it. Okay, so let me put some of my, so one thing that I've been learning from this whole YouTube process is that, you know, if you're trying to start your YouTube and your YouTube channel and you don't know what to do or how to do it or anything like that, no expert, I'm new to all this, but as a newbie, I just want to say, just do it, because I feel like the first day that I started doing this, I was very hesitant, and I just didn't feel comfortable. But on camera, when you're recording yourself and you know that anyone out there can see it, it's a little bit more nerve-wracking because you're like, oh my god, are they gonna like think I'm weird, or, you know, how do I look in the video? So it was important for me to not focus on how I look on camera and like being myself would help me be more confident. Obviously, you know, you do want to have great content and really good things for your followers to see, and yeah, I'm excited. If you guys have any suggestions with any ideas of videos that you would like me to make on my channel, please let me know, and I'll be like super happy to make any requested videos about motherhood, lifestyle, beauty, anything like that. Looking good. I think it's done. So I got these cups at Costco, and they keep your stuff either cold or hot, and it comes with like a reusable straw and everything, which is great. This looks really good. It really does. When I was pregnant with Adam, this was my favorite smoothie of all times. So this is what I would make every single morning before I left to work, and I would take it in my cup to work. Okay, let me go check on Adam while I drink my smoothie. Okay guys, so today has been a busy day actually. We were still moving furniture around from all the work that we did. I have the hiccups. That was weird. But yeah, we were moving stuff upstairs and downstairs, and I was also editing a video, and now I'm tired. But Adam is sleeping right now in the room, so that's why I'm in the closet. So excuse me, still have the hiccups. So Adam is napping right now, and I'm going to get ready for a pajama party that we have tonight, and it's with like girlfriends, so I'm very thrilled that I get a night out kind of thing, and it is at her house. She does this every year. It's actually really fun, and I don't know exactly what I'm wearing 100% yet, but I definitely wanted to get some inspiration. So I was looking online, and I found this Instagram account, and you know, they had also like an event for a brand, and people were supposed to wear pajamas, and it was very cute what people came up with. So I was thinking more like a glam looking pajama type of look. So I don't know yet what I'm gonna go for, but I will show you guys the result. Okay guys, so this is what I'm going to be wearing. This is a little eye mask, so I'll wear like a little headband kind of look. I still have the hiccups. And this is a robe, and then there's this like jumpsuit, velvet black, very soft and like comfy long jumpsuit, and then with these pom-pom shoes that I got from Forever 21 a really long time ago, and I've actually never worn them. I'll probably be changing my shoes later to like my house slippers, but for now this is what I'm going to be wearing, and I'll show you guys a picture. Okay guys, so this is kind of what I look like right now. The lighting is not great, but I really gotta run, so I'll just add a photo of my look. Okay guys, so I just got to my friend's house. I'm so excited. Her neighborhood literally looks like Winter Wonderland. I put it on my story on Instagram, but it looks so good. Like every single house in this neighborhood is decorated, and it's definitely giving me all the vibes for the Christmas spirit. So right now I'm just gathering a couple of things like wine and sangria, putting them in a bag real quick so I can head in. I don't think I'm going to be filming at the pajama party or anything because I just want to have a good time. I want to enjoy it too. I don't want to have to be like with a camera, and also there's going to be some girls there that I don't really know that well. I don't want to make anyone feel uncomfortable, but yeah, I'm so excited. I am going to insert a photo for you guys to see, and that way you guys can take a look at the outfit that I'm wearing for tonight and what I decided to wear for a pajama party. Hi guys, so I just got home. It's super late. It's like 1 a.m. right now, and everyone's sleeping. So I'm in the closet, I'm getting my makeup off. And yeah, it was so much fun. We had so much fun. We had games and drinks and music, and we were dancing, and it was a good day. I feel like I needed to get out a little bit. I'm just finishing taking my makeup off because I couldn't see out there. I couldn't see what I was taking off, so I want to make sure my face is clean. But yeah. This is everything for today. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for bed, and thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe so you can get an alert every time I upload a new video, and please also hit the like button. Have a great night guys, and thank you for watching.